Alright, we're back together again, and she's stable, but I think the oven crystal needs an adjustment, because she's out by a little bit, but that's okay. Not that big a deal. Minus 10, but she's pretty happy. She's bumping or bouncing between, yeah, a tenth, which is fine. So thanks again, Mark, for inspiring me to do a repair. I think it's worth it. So we'll have 3 days, or 3 years. 3 years. I keep getting that messed up. So she should be good for 3 years with that battery, and then we'll have to do it all over again. But I put a pigtail in there so the wires are long enough, and we'll just swap batteries out every 3 years. I'll probably need to print a little sticker and put it here for the battery, so that I know that I need to change it out. But this is a weird one. It's got 4 boards instead of the 1 or the 2 like Mark's unit, and it doesn't line up with the manual either, so I don't know exactly what and why this one's different. Maybe he's got a B and I've got an A. Maybe that's the difference. I don't know. But she's working and the repair's done, so that's really what's important here. And got a couple microwave sources. These are fun. These put out a really clean tone, but they don't sweep. It's the one frequency. But they're also these are klystron microwave signal sources. So when that tube dies, then it's pretty much trash. It's hard to get the klystrons too. They're out there, but sometimes you can swap in a klystron and it won't work. So I would recommend getting these. Get a synthesized signal generator. So she's kind of jumping around a little bit. But yeah. I want to thank Mark again for inspiring me. I wasn't really inspired to do anything to it. I was just going to let the batteries leak all over the insides. No, I wasn't going to do that, but it's a 120-pound monster, so getting it down and opening it up and doing a battery change where you have to solder in a new battery is kind of a hurdle. And no one likes to do that. We'd rather just have a little battery door, just open the door and pop in a new one. But these things weren't designed that way. You had to break seals and get into the instrument to perform the change. That's a wrap on that one.